Sweet and sour shrimp, or gulao sha, is a very well-known Cantonese dish. It was originally made with pork, but nowadays you can make it with any protein. I have here 1 pound of shrimp. Just make sure that you don't cut all the way through. Now put the shrimp in a large bowl and marinate with salt, white pepper, rice wine, cornstarch slurry, and egg. Will make the texture of the shrimp very bouncy. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. To make the sauce, in a bowl we're gonna add in salt, rice vinegar, ketchup. Traditionally, ketchup was not used, but nowadays people love to use it for the color and the taste. Also add in sugar and chicken stock. Mix well. In a large bowl, we're gonna add the cornstarch. And we're gonna squeeze the shrimp into a ball and then dip the shrimp into the cornstarch and then squeeze the shrimp into a ball again. And now we're gonna set the shrimp on a plate. Do the same with the rest of the shrimp. Now to fry the shrimp in a pan or about 2 inches deep. Heat it up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. You can test the oil with a pair of chopsticks. When you put the chopsticks in the oil and immediately you see lots of bubbles around it, that means your oil is ready. Now we're going to transfer in the shrimp and deep fry for about 2 minutes until golden brown. Take out the shrimp and drain on a paper towel. To stir fry the vegetables over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add in the onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, pineapple, and garlic. Stir fry until the aroma comes out for about 30 seconds. Take out everything. Alright, so now in the same pan over medium-high heat, we're gonna add in the sauce. Cook it for about a minute or so. Then we're gonna add in the cornstarch slurry and stir it until everything is thickened. Transfer back the shrimp and vegetables. Stir and coat everything. Now we can serve it on a plate.